Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Mishra. Today going to revision of standard 4 चैप्टर 1 से लेकर 3 तक का रिवीजन हमने आपके साथ हो चुका हमारा। आज हम चैप्टर 4 और 5 का रिवीजन करेंगे। चैप्टर 4 मोर ऑन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड 2016 क्लास 4 के बच्चे आपको चैप्टर 1 से लेके 5 तक का सिलेबस है। बुक के अंदर जो क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे वो इस प्रकार। शॉर्टकट की टू फाइंड इज Ctrl+F एंड शॉर्टकट की टू रिप्लेस इज Ctrl+H टू कैंसिल द सर्च बटन। एस्केप बटन इज यूज्ड एंड Ctrl+Alt+Q combination to take help to tell me what you want to do. And you can zoom the document using the mouse. Press Ctrl key and move the scroll button to mouse forward to zoom in and backward in zoom out. Shortcut key to open the word is Windows+R. Now fill in the blanks. The default margin set at the 1 inch from top button left and right page. To copy the formatting the multiple text, double click on the format painter button and the column break option is present in the layout tab. Format painter is a toggle button. Default tab stop at the every 0.5 inch. Line spacing is a vertical distance between successive lines of the text in a document. Indentation determines the amount of spacing above or below a paragraph is false. Tab key used to move the cursor at a certain space in document is true. Page break option split the document into 2 or more column is true. And landscape is a default paper orientation in the Word 2016. Increase indent button shift the text 1 inch away from the left margin is false. And MCQ, the find option is used to search any particular words or a phrase in a document. The column option is divide the document into 2 or more columns. The selected text can be shifted ½ inch away from the left margin by using the increase indent. And top and bottom margin of a document can be changed by using the vertical ruler. To move a paragraph or a line to a specific position, indenting features is used. Now chapter 5, working with style and objects. A theme is a set of the formatting choice and can be applied to the entire document, include theme, color and fonts. And to view the styles pane, use Alt Ctrl+Shift+S. Fill in the blanks. Character and paragraph are the two types of the style. A theme is a set of formatting choice that can be applied to the entire document. Line basic shape block arrows are option of the shape button. The word art features allow to create a special text effect. The text box is a placeholder where text can be entered. Now true false. The shape fill tools is used to coloring the drawing object is false. Alignment guide help you to align the image around the text is true. Text cannot be formatted within the text box is false. You cannot insert text in the shape is false. To view the style task pane, use the Alt Ctrl Shift and S key combination is true. MCQ, which style affect the selected text within a paragraph is character style. When you draw a text box, a format tab appears with drawing tools. The shift key is used while dragging to maintain the height and width ratio of a shape. And word art button is present on the insert tab. तो ये चैप्टर 1 से लेके 5 तक का आपका रिवीजन हो गया है। क्लास 4 के बच्चे इन्हीं की तैयारी करेंगे। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।